Hi everyone, Georgetown Soaps here. I am testing a fragrance for BeScented. This is called Pink Berry Mimosa and it smells fantastic. It's a combination of citrus, ripe raspberries, strawberries, and a little bit of pink Moscato. It smells so good and it's not super sweet like you would think. It just smells really like just fresh and fruity. Overall, it's a fantastic scent. I really do like it. So I have already pre-mixed my oils. I added in my kaolin clay, my colloidal oatmeal, just added in my lye water. Everything's getting ready to go. There goes the fragrance. This fragrance behaved fantastic. No racing, no acceleration, no funny stuff. Really did behave nicely. So it's sometimes you never know what you're going to get, but it's always nice to have a really good smelling fragrance that you get plenty of time to work with. And I decided to do 4 colors with this one. And so even with the water discount, I had plenty of time to work with. So that's always super, super nice and helpful to always have that time. And as I said, I decided to do 4 colors for this one. What I decided to do was use white, so I used some titanium dioxide, and then I used a new pink that I'm testing for BeScented just to see how it performs. And what I did was I added a little bit to one portion, and then I added a lot more to a second portion, so you can get, it's nice because it kind of makes your label a little easier to do, but you get 2 different colors with the same color. So you get a lighter shade and then a darker shade. And I definitely ended up liking the darker shade a little bit more than the lighter shade. But it came out really, really nice, and I like the contrast with all the colors. And of course, here I am using my titanium mixer bottle. So I pre-mix I use the water TD, so I pre-mix my titanium dioxide in this squeezy bottle, and it's got little stainless steel balls in it, so you can always just shake it up. It's super easy, super convenient. I feel like I need to have 4 or 5 of them just because I feel like I'm always running out of TD, but it's real quick to pre-mix some. You just use hot water, and I usually do about 1/3 of the bottle in the titanium dioxide, and then I do 2/3 in really, really hot water, and then you mix it all together and it blends really nicely, and then you just have to do a quick shake every time you want to use it. So it's a super helpful tool. It's pretty ingenious, but it just saves a lot of white speckles and white spots and really gets your TD mixed well. If you just pour your TD into your batter directly, sometimes you just don't get it mixed in enough, and then you get all these white spots and white specks, and it's just not very pretty in your soap. But there's my pink. I really, really like the darker shade. The lighter shade is a mauve. It's super, super pretty, but I just like the contrast. But it's always fun to play with colors and just, add a little TD to a color or add a little bit more or less of a color just to get different shades. And then of course I had to use my Groovy Green. I was thinking, how can I possibly get Groovy Green into Pink Berry Mimosa, sorry. And I just decided to go for it. So it's one of my favorite colors, and it really stands out and it's fun. So love the color. So anyway, as you can see, everything is mixing up nicely, no ricing, no acceleration. Everything is still really, really fluid, and I've got plenty of time to work with this one. And it smells so good. It's not overpowering, but it's definitely a strong scent. And it just smells super, super good. So it's a great scent for the summer. I'm probably going to do some soy candles in this and then do some bath bombs in it because I think it would be really lovely in the bath bombs as well. So I'm trying to just clean up a little bit as I go. I use these yellow they're not terry cloths, I can't think of what they are. I just use them to wipe everything up as I'm going. And I'm just going to just drop some colors in randomly, and then I'm going to do my chopstick swirl. So just kind of throw some color in, try and mix it up a little bit here and there, and then do a nice little swirl. So as you can see, I had plenty of time to work with this fragrance, which is nice. The green thickened up a little bit at the end, but that's to be expected. But it's nice because I got to do a nice little kind of green swirl on the top. And I think I forgot to mention earlier that this fragrance is on sale at BeScented right now. It is 16 ounces, so it's a pound for $10. And it's good for about a week. I think it's good from June 10th through the 20th. So make sure you run over and grab some before they run out. And so I'm bringing you guys back for the cut. Super happy with how it turned out. The green, love the green. But I put this soap in the oven for 24 hours. I didn't turn the oven on, and just really like the contrast of the colors. Really happy with the swirls. Just very, very delicate, but really, really happy with how this soap turned out. And it smells fantastic even at the cut. So head over to BeScented, grab the Pinkberry Mimosa. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing, and I'll see you on the next video.